Welcome to this episode of Chai Pe Charcha. We have been doing a lot of newspaper reading with the students. I have been doing myself and I have been asking them to read and pick up stories which we can talk about, do some research on it. Now, this particular group has done, as I can see, some research on changing trends of family watching television. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, without wasting time, I want you, Shubham, to tell me what is your outcome of your research. What did you do in details? What did you find?
So as you all know that nowadays media is everywhere.
Yeah.
So earlier people used to consider media in the terms of newspapers, radio and television.
Correct.
Around 30 years ago there was a trend where people used to minimize the usage of media for a few hours only. But in this youth, in today's world, where we are living in the era of smartphones and mobile internet, the term you can say media is evolving because of the you can say the advancement of technologies, which have also changed our behavior and our consumption and communication as well.
Okay.
So today we'll be throwing some light on the topic changing trends of family watching television.
Okay. So, what is your take on that, Shefali?
So, I would actually like to tell you something about the old school consumption of media.
Okay.
So, in the 20th century, actually, we saw a vast difference in, the 19th century media and the internet and the consumption of content and the 20th century.
Okay.
So, the thing is that, sir, old school, we didn't have much choices. Like, that there was a monopolistic competition of just Doordarshan on television, basically.
Yeah.
So, sir, we didn't have much variety. Not that there were not many shows, but sir, एक ही था. मतलब the flow was very static. हाँ sir. डायनामिक कुछ नहीं था. बट अभी आप देखेंगे अब चीज़ें बदल रही हैं धीरे धीरे, काफ़ी बदल रही है क्योंकि लोगों को कस्टमाइज्ड चीज़ें देखना पसंद है. मेरे हिसाब से मेरे टाइम का, मेरे चॉइस का, तो पहले के ज़माने में और अब के ज़माने में काफ़ी डिफरेंस हो गया है सर, कंटेंट व्यूइंग में और कंटेंट क्रिएशन में भी.
Okay. Shivangi, what is your take?
So sir, today as she told, we have a great advancement in the technology. So today we have Xbox, smart TV, smartphones, etc. So people can actually generate content, they can actually have a look at the content at any place. And talking about the technological advancement, I would like to highlight on the media globalization. So it is because of the media globalization that there has been a great increase and there has been a great development in the technology.
Okay.
So this way, talking about Netflix, OTT platforms, other OTT platforms, so there is a great advancement today.
Okay, Ritu, we come to you. You have done some research on the trends.
Yeah, the current trends which are going on. So I'll be focusing on the net shows, documentaries, YouTube videos, vlogs, stand-up comedians which are coming up on social media platform. Talking about net shows, Netflix is the main player in the market which is booming.
And why so?
Why so, sir? Because the kind of content Netflix is showing and people are loving it. The content which Netflix has, it wasn't ever there on the television because there was so much of censorship.
Okay.
So the kind of content which is being shown on Netflix, people are loving it because they want such kind of content because their thought process is changing. They want such liberal content, and because of this, there is also diversification of thoughts. Like for example, the kind of show I like to give the example of Orange is the New Black. They are showing the American prison drama, like how prison works. And I will give you the example of Indian content which was again a hit in India, that was Sacred Games.
Yeah.
People loved it. And even Ghoul, which just came up recently. And there are many shows which are coming up on Netflix. So that was one of the net shows that I would like to talk.
Yeah, I know, but don't you think that because of this, as you said rightly, that because there is no censorship, now if there is no control in a country like ours, which has more of middle class values, do you think the kids will be, it's too early for us to expose them to such a content?
So they are getting exposed by the content because there, as people said, there is technological advancement. So they already have smartphones. When we were 14, 15, 16, we never had smartphones at that time, at that point of time. We used to go out, play, or maybe just go out to eat. But now they have their cell phones and they have everything on their hands. So they can get access to such content.
So as I see, there can be pros and there can be cons for such content,
Yes.
or such consumption of
Sir,
media.
it's a constructive threat. It can be a merit and it can be a demerit.
It's a
as well.
nice word, constructive threat. So would you like to say something, Bilkis, on this constructive
Yeah, see,
threat?
as my friends said, they've mentioned about all the pros, all the good stuff about Netflix and Amazon Prime, but then it also has various cons. A few of them would be less family time because now people are just spending time on their phones, like on their laptops. They just want to watch and binge watch all these shows that Netflix shows because it's different. I agree, but then people get isolated, so
Correct.
it also leads to depression.
Correct.
And then they don't spend time with their family, they don't socialize. फिर ये भी होता है कि बच्चों को जो चीज़ नहीं देखनी चाहिए कुछ वो सेंसरशिप नहीं है तो उसकी वजह से बच्चे भी लेकिन वो चीज़ देख
They are
पाते
exposed to
हैं
that.
या एंड देन हेल्थ इश्यूज भी होते हैं बिकॉज पीपल जस्ट सिट एट द लाइक इनसाइड द हाउसेज एंड देन दे वॉच ऑल दी शोज तो बाहर जाके फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं होती है एंड तो बहुत सारे ऐसे नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स भी है मतलब ठीक है पॉजिटिव तो बहुत सारे लेकिन उसके साथ साथ नेगेटिव भी है फिर डेटा रिन्यूअल कराना पड़ता है
So
बिकॉज
you're
विदाउट
spending-
वाईफाई तो वो होता नहीं तो अलग से खर्चा होता है उसका भी एवरी मंथ
So you don't support to this.
नो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई डोंट सपोर्ट मतलब आई सपोर्ट बिकॉज मैं खुद देखती हूँ शोज नेटफ्लिक्स पे बट देन उसके साथ लाइक एवरीथिंग हैज लाइक टू साइड्स एवरी कॉइन हैज अ टू साइड लाइक इट्स टू साइडेड तो उसके नेगेटिव
What is
एस्पेक्ट्स भी है
the
पॉजिटिव
other side,
एस्पेक्ट्स भी है
Shubham?
Yeah, I would like to speak on it. So, as per my research, there was many pros on about the online streaming online content. So some of them were the first being pool of content. Like आज के ज़माने में बहुत सारे ऐसे शोज़ हैं जो वैराइटीज़ हैं हम लोग देख सकते हैं जो लोग डिमांड नहीं करते लेकिन डिमांड आ जाती है उसकी क्योंकि आप वो क्रिएट करते हैं आप वो निर्मित करते हैं. Then the second one which I thought by my research is diversity. There are many genres, there are many storylines which writers are coming up with. Then the accessibility, people can access easily with this content because they are using smartphones and internet broadcasting in these days. Then the portability, since people are using smartphones, they can carry each. You can also say that people are carrying mini TVs with them. You can say that, and you can have a diversity as well. That's what.
But anything to do with technology in the sense, the radiations and other factors, don't you think too much we are exposed to that also? Are we or are we not?
सो एक और पॉइंट ये है कि बहुत अडिक्ट हो जाते हैं लोग तो बस उन लोग को और कुछ दिखता नहीं है बस अपना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं फिर उनको बाकी अपने जो
So
चोर्स होते
Bilkis
हैं वो लोग
doesn't support your she doesn't support
नहीं
your
कभी कभी
school.
इवन आई बिंज वॉच से बट देन बहुत मैं मतलब ऐसे कह रही हूँ जनरली लोग ना मतलब बाकी इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पे फोकस नहीं करते बस वो लोग को वही शो
पर-
खत्म करने पे
Yes, I agree because I agree. पर एक चीज तो है, whether you may agree or disagree, that there is a fragmentation of the society. People who would sit together, talk about say even one show. Now even a single household, you will find many TV sets, or rather forget about it. Even people are talking, they are talking through this handheld device.
Correct.
So
The
somewhere
personal touch is missing.
personal touch is missing. So how do we, you as millennial kids, how do you want to bring it back?
So actually, we are the ones who have, also enjoyed our childhood, and now we
have
are,
seen
transition.
both the worlds,
We have
actually.
seen the transition of
So-
how the consumption has changed, how people living in the family they are changing. I can give you the example of my mother. Before that, she used to watch television. Now she has a phone. She can watch whatever she wants. She'll watch her Marathi movies. She'll watch shows, whatever she wants, and she's happy with it.
She's happy. What about you? Do you think you guys are happy at home, your family?
Actually speaking, so we are so addicted to Netflix that even if we want to give time to our parents, we actually tend to just forget about it because we are so busy with the technology part. Yeah, so I'm of that opinion.
That's good. That's good. So what we'll do is we will continue with such discussions among ourselves. But my request to you is you continue with your newspaper reading. Try and pick up topics which we can bring out here and tell, because today through you I would like to communicate to the younger lots that what they think and what, because I am from the older generation, so I would rather listen to you than talk to you or give you my views. Okay, so on that note, thank you very much for being with me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.